Hi traders, we are 2.5 hours, in actual fact 3.5 hours before the markets close. So you need to obviously take heed of what your charts are telling you at the close rather than what I'm suggesting now. But this is what I'm seeing at the moment. I'm seeing on this daily chart here a inverted star which is dragging the markets down. But I'm thinking that this 450 could hold, and I have tried an intraday long on here, but it's stopped me out of 427. I thought 430, 440 would hold, but I am long on the June contract, a much bigger stop on the June contract, so I do see this as coming up. But at the moment, the performance of the Dow is very weak. If you look at the Nikkei, you can see we've got a red parabolic SAR dot up here, so it has actually taken out one of these green dots already. So it's broken support here, and if we keep closing lower, this could easily drag the Dow and the FTSE down with it. So I'm keeping a close eye on that. This is a 4 hour on the left. However, if the 4 hour holds this 430 level and we start closing higher, we could inch up and attack 16,600 plus later in the week, which is what I'm hoping for, hence the reason why I've gone long on the June contract, which I of course mentioned in the room. And so we'll see how that goes. I am enjoying a little bit of a run in this CAD yen at the moment, so I like the daily chart a lot. This is the 4 hour, come off the fibs. I bought it just over 93, currently 93.35, and I think back end of the week we could see anything between 93 and 95 if that works out as planned. Alright, so I'm liking, that's probably one of my favourite markets at the moment. I had two small stop outs on this US dollar yen. I actually thought the 185 was going to hold, and it's not. So 150 may hold, but you know, it's seen a lot of selling over the last couple of days. So I regret trying to take that, but I haven't risked much capital, so I have nothing to cry about. Pound US dollar is incredibly strong. We're not quite tested 170. We're 5 points short of it at the moment. I do think that is a potential good short. You know, if we're going to test that big pivot, and it was mentioned, I was suggesting in the room that we should short this. I actually think that was a good idea. I'm not short it at the moment, but I think that is potentially shortable. I'll tell you what, it's always worth shorting at a key pivot like that, particularly if you get a spike through sort of 10-20 points above that. Take a low risk entry, i.e. a tight stop. If you get stopped out, walk away. If you start to build a buffer, then look to a point where you might be able to get your stop to break even and sit in it. But pound's been very strong. Pound yen was great in the Euro session. There was a good, let me think, 50 plus points available in the Euro session since we've been flailing around, but you can see in the 4 hour we've found support at the lows. In fact, that's an Asian level support that we took off in the Euro session, so I would still keep buying pullbacks in this. Yeah, this is a great chart, so let's just see if that can do something. Aussie US has had a good session. That is a smart long that was taken by one of our members, and 93.20 is a possible long in that if we close up there. Aussies are holding their rates. That's got the market going, and so that has got the potential to retest 95. Update on oil. Oil tested 140 long on the June contract. That's looking good. If we spend another day or two here, which we might, we could Well, we've got Invents tomorrow, so let's see what Invents does to that. But it's looking good. Got a lot to contend with, a lot of resistance. But let's see how we go. Stocks. I'm still long Tesla. Seeing a little drop from that 22. So I will. I've tightened my stop up on that one. We'll continue to monitor that one. And where are we? Netflix is likewise seeing a similar drop. I am potentially going to get stopped out of that. My stop is just underneath that. Could have taken profits at the highs because that was always a potential rollover candidate, but I chose to leave some on the table. Maybe I've left too much on the table. We'll see. I have today's stocks. DNR. Fantastic move. I am just in it. I suggested 1695. I think, did I? What did I suggest? I suggested 1690. I did push that higher. A sweet move. Very, very sweet move. Oil doing so well. MBR. Noble Energy. That's done well also. I didn't actually get filled in that one. I don't think. No, I didn't. Look for an aggressive pullback in that one and it didn't happen. So I am just in DNR, but not that one. Alright, I hope that helps and see you at the next video.